When I first unboxed the LawnMaster CLM2413A Cordless mower, its sleek green finish and compact design caught my eye. At just 23 pounds assembled, with both 4.0 batteries slotted into their holders, it felt almost deceptively lightweight in my hands. Gone were the days of lugging around a cumbersome, corded mower or wrestling with a gasoline engine that hadn't been used since last season. The high-impact, rust-resistant steel deck seemed sturdy enough to withstand occasional knocks against hidden stones, and I couldn't wait to see how it would perform on my modest half-acre plot. Assembly proved refreshingly simple. Everything came neatly organized in the box: the main chassis with wheels already mounted, a handlebar that slotted into 2 keyholes, 2 snap-in battery packs, and a charging cradle. The included instruction pamphlet walked me through a no-tools-needed installation in fewer than 5 minutes. Once I clicked the batteries into place, a satisfying double snap, and tightened the single wing nut at the handle brace, the mower looked every bit the professional tool its specifications promised to be. Pressing the safety latch and pulling the paddle-style trigger, the 24V Max brushless motor roared to life at a healthy 3,700 RPM. Immediately I noticed the difference between this modern lithium-ion drive and the older brushed motors I've used. There was a smooth, consistent hum and none of the sputtering or power fade common in lower-end cordless mowers. The mower sounded quieter than my gas mower's idle, and when it hit thick patches of fescue or stubborn clover, the motor simply ramped up with no hesitation. That monster torque feeling, as one satisfied reviewer called it, meant I didn't have to slow down or make multiple passes to get a clean cut. The 13-inch cutting width may not be the largest on the market, but it proved ample for my yard's winding paths and narrow side yard access. I appreciated how the mower glided past flower beds, mailboxes, and the decorative rock border my wife insisted on installing last fall. Turning the mower felt almost effortless thanks to the 5.51-inch front and rear wheels, which rolled smoothly over grass and uneven ground alike. If your lawn is a simple rectangle, you might miss the speed of a 20-inch deck, but for yards requiring nimble maneuvering, this mower strikes a perfect balance between coverage and agility. One of the standout features is the 5-position height adjustment, which spans from a neat 1 inch to a forgiving 2.55 inches. No tools are required. Just lift the quarter-turn bail, slide the lever to the desired slot, and let it click into place. I often toggled between the lowest setting for a manicured front lawn appearance and a taller setting in shaded areas where the grass grows more slowly and unevenly. This flexibility meant I could tailor my lawn's look by section, creating crisp lines on the driveway edge and a more natural, meadow-like cut under the backyard oaks. Battery life, always a hot topic for cordless tools, proved more than adequate for my purposes. On a full charge, the pair of 4.0 packs powered me through about 25 to 30 minutes of mowing at the mid-height setting. My front yard, at roughly 2,500 square feet, took about 12 minutes. The back, nearly 3,000 square feet, closer to 16. I never dipped below the 1-bar indicator, saving a cushion of power for the occasional stubborn spots. Charging the batteries from empty to full took around an hour in the included charger, a worthwhile trade-off to avoid gasoline odors, tangled cords, and late-night extension cord catastrophes. Customers who own slightly larger lots might find they need to swap in fresh batteries mid-session, but for those with small to mid-size lawns, a single dual battery setup should suffice. I personally appreciated the mower's near-instant startup. No priming, no choke, and no pull cords. Just a firm press of the paddle, and I was off. There is something genuinely satisfying about the click-and-go simplicity of modern battery power. One unexpected delight was how well the mower handled moisture. A few reviews mentioned concerns about rain resistance, but after a spring shower left my yard dewy yet manageable, I ran the mower without hesitation. The deck shed grass clippings cleanly, and I didn't experience any electronic hiccups. Of course, I wouldn't recommend intentionally running through puddles or leaving the battery outside in a downpour, but a little morning dew, no problem. Emptying clippings from the 8-gallon grass bag was ridiculously easy. A quick unlatch, a hoop of frame slides free, and I carried it over to the compost bin. A gentle shake released most of the catch, and a brief brush or tap cleaned out any stubborn bits. If I wanted to mulch instead, I simply plugged the deck's side discharge port, and the bag stayed neatly stowed. That 2-in-1 versatility, bagging or mulching, gave me more control over yard care chores, especially when I wanted to feed my compost pile with fresh clippings. Throughout several months of regular use, the LawnMaster felt well built. The deck and handle twist points showed no signs of wobble, and the weather-resistant housing refused to crack or fade under punishing sun and sporadic spring showers. I did tighten one handlebar bolt after half a dozen mowings, but that's the only hardware tweak I've had to perform. Beyond that, the mower has operated maintenance-free, just as advertised. No oil changes, no spark plugs, no belts, and certainly no emissions wafting across my lawn. That said, the mower is not without its minor trade-offs. If you're a tall user, over 6 feet, you might find the handlebar height a bit low, leading to a slight stoop after extended mowing. An extra set of batteries can be pricey if you need them, and that 13-inch deck will require a few more passes than a tractor-style mower on wide-open lawns. But these are small concessions compared to the convenience, quiet operation, and eco-friendly credentials of waking up at 7 a.m. and mowing without waking the entire neighborhood. At a current price of around $167, including two 4.0 batteries and a charger, the LawnMaster CLM2413A offers remarkable value. When I compare it to the time I used to spend cleaning and stabilizing old gas, managing tangled extension cords, or renting a push mower for quick patches, the economic and environmental savings quickly add up. Plus, the peace of mind that comes with a lightweight, tool-free design has made weekend yard work something I genuinely look forward to, rather than dread.